In this video, we prove that the minimum of this reciprocal function happens at pi over 2. Ready? The reciprocal function 1 over sine x can be written as sine x to the power of -1. Doing so allows us to differentiate this using the power rule. The derivative is -1 times sine of x to the power of -2. Don't forget to multiply that by the derivative of what is inside the bracket and complete the chain of derivatives using the chain rule. The derivative of sine x is cosine x. If we want to find the turning point, we need to find the x values that make the derivative equals 0. This rational function is 0 when the numerator is 0. Cosine x equals 0 when x equals pi over 2. In general, the reciprocal function 1 over fx can be differentiated using this technique. We write the reciprocal as the function fx to the power of -1, and we now differentiate using the chain rule. Don't forget to close the chain differentiating f with respect to x, f dash. The derivative of the reciprocal of fx is the opposite of the derivative divided by the square of the function. Derivatives are very important, so master differentiation step by step. Visit mathsadviceonyourdevice.com for more details.